So our web app is a Flask, right? So we're gonna add web app. Okay, so add a new web app. So your web app's domain is like this one. This is your domain. So just click next. So Django Web 2Y Flask bottle management. Just we are using Flask, right? So I'm using 3.6. Okay, next. Okay, okay. So this is our your look. If you open this, hello from Flask, that is an inbuilt thing. It will be there. Let's open here. Add here, like let's upload the file which we are using. So okay, look, this is the Flask app.py from Flask app.py. If this thing had came, this is the Wix key, that is from Flask app import app as an application. So we are gonna delete these. Okay, so this is main py, right? So we are gonna change here, that is this thing, WSGI configuration file. In this we are gonna change here what we given main.py. So we are gonna do here, that is main. That's it, main. Okay, just save this. Okay, and run. So now if we run these, it won't work, I think, because something went wrong, right? Because let's just close this and open our file here. Look, we just imported everything, so this won't work here. This from, I think I know, because I had more thing. So look, we didn't have added any of these HTML, so let's go and add. Okay, okay. So in our here, these things were uploaded in main.py. There should be a templates, right? So let's go there. So just create in, okay, templates. Okay, create new directory here. It's being created. Yeah, in this just upload the files which you can upload everything. So okay, open, upload a file. Okay, what are the files? Just see what are the HTML you have written here. Add.html. Another thing is success.html, view.html. That's the three HTML. So we are gonna add. So just delete this. Okay, add success.html. So they had saying put that 100 MB maximum size. That is not this total files will be 100 MB. That is you can upload how much data, because they are given 512 MB of data. here you can add a single file 100 MB. That is, if you are having a HTML like a 150 MB of HTML, single HTML, you cannot add. Okay, that's the thing they are saying. Don't be confused. Okay, 100. Let's use view.html. That's it, right? Okay, come on. So let's get back to my site. So we are gonna add another directory because here we are having static and static built-in uploads. So we are gonna just add this. So static, okay, static just created that. In static UIL built-in new directory. In the static itself there is another directory called uploads. Okay, so the things, so okay, in built-in there are two JPG and a GIF thing. Okay, let's upload the things also. Just open built-in and upload a file here. Just go back here, static built-in. So I'm gonna upload this one. Okay, next we're gonna upload another thing. Okay, that's it. Let's go here. Just save this thing, run. Let's look here. It will show. No, it is not showing. This website is hosted. There is something. Okay, let's go back here and go there, and we will be seeing here a debug, actually a error log. In this error log we come to know what is the main thing. From main import app as application. So we are gonna do something. So sorry, from app import main as applications. I think okay, let's go back here. Choose. If we have some problem like this, uh, just do like this. Okay, just save here. Okay, then just close this thing and go here and change that is as app. Just save here, run. Okay, okay, so let's get here. There is an internal server, like the server had income was unable to complete your request. There is an error in the application or something, I think. Yep. So I actually didn't upload these things and all. So in templates, I also need to upload these this .html. Yep. Look, everything has came now. So that's the thing. So let's take something called, just go back, just submit. I think there will be something because we didn't put a database here, right? So it will be message because we didn't put the database. So let's go back here. Okay, it's now working good, perfectly good. So let's go here, and if you are using a SQLite database, just upload a file. Go there. So we uploaded our test.db file here. So now we are need to change because this is our right. Just copy this thing and because we need to change these configurations, like mm, yep, here, because here where that is the database, yeah, here, yep, right. And where is another thing, yeah, here. So just save here and run here. Let us go back and just name uh, no. So what is the problem? I think like I need to do something. Okay, okay, okay. Uploads, the image should be in small, I think. Okay, because let's see the static upload small thing. So yep, just save it and run it. Let's go here, just another thing. Yep. Okay, just something, just some at. Okay, okay, use file, just using this file. Now submit. Yeah, look, we successfully created your profile. So just look at view profile. Look, everything is coming, but our image is not coming here because I think here we need to enter the URL like for static or uploads. So let's say, sorry, bar, static bar uploads. So enter the path, static bar uploads. So let us reload thing. Let us reload these thing, but it is coming. But so let us make it down. Home, I didn't put home. For register I didn't put, just only for add I just put these things. So let us check in some other thing, right? Look, vi just okay. So we will try these things in next. Okay, in our next tutorial we will be seeing that how we are gonna edit our databases, and also we are gonna edit and add our some other databases, edit profiles and all in this web app, PythonAnywhere web app. So it's in a live thing. Okay, if you want to try these, just go to your Chrome or something, just type VICY BOTECHMATES dot pythonanywhere.com. Okay, just type these, and yeah, maybe I can put the link in the descriptions, so you can just click and view these things. Okay, so okay, bye, and we will see next part. This is a part 3, I think. We will see next part 3, right? Okay.